Yeah, of course. Toyo turd.
Yeah, I mean, obviously you've mentioned to me that you work with people who do this all the time.
Exit dive.
Sort of situation, and you drink it, and I believe that the
red
name,
light run, red light run, red light run. Those Ram drivers, they suck.
odd jobs all over the place.
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
But are there any models that investigate biochemistry based on completely different temperature
No,
scales
stop.
and different things?
Yeah, I mean, obviously you've mentioned to me that you work with people who do this all the time.
Exit dive. No turn on red. Yes, I know it's not 3 o'clock here yet, but I'm pretty sure it's 3 o'clock somewhere else. So you're going in the video.
Most important.
What are you doing way up here? The stop here on red sign is back here. You're way out in the middle of the intersection. That's not safe. Stop it! You're driving way too slow to be in the left lane. And look, you're dumping shit out the back. You're polluting the environment. Stop it!
I've always been curious about.
It's green. You're supposed to keep going. What are you doing? Stop it!
Not going to happen. The hero is you, and the hero is the good person
No,
standing
stop.
next to you. That's it.
what would Iron Man do?
Wait, what's happening? What's happening here? Bubbles! The bubbles are back! Yay, bubbles! I missed the bubbles. The bubbles are wonderful! Yay, bubbles! Yeah! Everyone loves bubbles, right? Your driving is so bad, you're making me want to listen to Bon Jovi. Bon Jovi! Ah! Oh, and another thing. Can people at hockey games stop playing this song? It sucks. Especially when the team's losing. I don't care if people like to sing along with it. The song sucks. I'm already depressed that the team's losing. Don't make my pain any worse, please. Thank you. Good night. Holy crap, you actually stopped here? What are you doing, man? No one ever stops here. You're driving all weird and stuff.
Imagining what's life going to be like now. It's not any easier, but it's...
Why are you stopping in the middle of the street? Keep going. The arms are not down. There's no trains coming. Come on. Why are you taking so long? Why are you stopped randomly in the middle of the street? People are in a hurry. We got places to be. Stop holding shit up. Don't mind me. I'm just playing this to piss off Dashcam Rip Rock. Carry on. We built this city on rock and roll. Built this city. Holy crap, why are all of you guys driving on the parkway? It's a parkway. You're supposed to be parking, not driving. And also, trucks need to stop hitting this bridge, too. I mean, come on. We've already had like 5 so far this year. How many more do we need? Seriously. Wait a minute. What am I doing driving on the wrong side of the road? God, I'm an idiot! Oh man, everything looks so small and far away. Like, what the hell's going on here? Yeah, this is trippy. It's like that big truck over there is the size of an ant. Weird.
We should then have to have another man. That will cause further delays in the work. He might commence to meddle with the...
Why are you turning left? You don't have a green arrow! Stop it! Well, I took a really, really long road trip and now I'm in Australia. Yeah. And in case you were wondering, yes, the rumors are true. When you flush the toilets down here, the water goes and spirals in the other direction. That is true. Well, I'm going to put another shrimp on the barbie and get back to the States. Oh, Bon Jovi sucks. Oh, driving without a care. They'll take my van. They'll crash it, I swear. Oh, Bon Jovi still sucks.
Of diamonds out
What the hell are
the
you
relief
doing?
of the sky.
No trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. Look at for real. It's in the left lane. No, no, no. Yeah, it's to the left of the screen. It's in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. I mean, seriously, look, it's to the left. Yep. Yep, definitely in the left lane. Would I lie to you? No, 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 I will not lie. Well, and look, he's merging, but of course this is going to be the new left lane now. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Yep, this video was another joke video because it's April 1st. Aha, oh well. You made it this far. Well, this is the end of the video. Hope you like it. Please like, subscribe, and do all that fun stuff. Okay, bye!